Welcome to our analysis of Innago, a property management software designed for small to mid-sized landlords and property managers. Innago's platform simplifies tasks like rent collection, tenant screening, lease signing, and maintenance tracking. It's a user-friendly tool that aims to streamline the complexities of property management. Innago offers a host of features. These include online rent collection, tenant screening, online lease signing and storage, and maintenance request management. It also provides detailed financial reporting for better tracking and management of your property-related finances. Additionally, Innago offers a tenant portal for easy communication and task management. Innago offers a unique pricing model. There are no setup fees, monthly fees, or charges for landlords. Instead, Innago charges tenants a small convenience fee when they pay rent online. For additional services like tenant screening or lease signing, landlords can choose to pay for them separately or pass the costs on to the tenants. Innago is ideal for small to mid-sized property managers and landlords who want to streamline their operations. It's particularly useful if you have multiple properties and want an easy way to manage rent collection, tenant communication, and maintenance. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that offers the convenience of online transactions, Innago might be the perfect fit. Innago shines with its user-friendly interface and cost-effectiveness. It simplifies property management tasks, saving time and effort. Its online rent collection feature is particularly convenient, reducing the hassle of manual collection. The tenant screening and online lease signing features add to its appeal. Plus, its pricing model is attractive for landlords looking to minimize expenses. Despite its benefits, Innago has some limitations. The tenant-based pricing can be a turnoff for some renters. It also lacks some advanced features offered by larger competitors, such as property marketing tools and comprehensive tenant portals. Additionally, while its focus on small to mid-sized landlords is a strength, larger property managers may find it lacks scale. In conclusion, Innago is a solid choice for small to mid-sized landlords looking for a user-friendly, cost-effective property management solution. Its features are targeted and useful despite some limitations. Innago's unique pricing model offers potential savings for landlords, but it's important to consider tenant satisfaction as well. Innago offers an array of features designed to simplify property management. It's user-friendly, cost-effective, and ideal for managing multiple properties. However, it may not suit larger landlords or those seeking more advanced features. Its unique pricing model, while advantageous for landlords, might not appeal to all tenants. Thank you for watching this analysis of Innago. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for the right property management software. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more thorough analysis videos like this one.